Hello students, welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to discuss about some more missiles. Okay, in the last class we had discussed some missiles and some more advanced missiles we are going to deal today. Keep focus. Then coming to another missile, Agni missile. Okay, at present we are discussing about the missiles produced under DRDO. Okay, under DRDO. The next one is Agni missile. Agni missile is a surface to surface, medium to intercontinental range ballistic missile. Okay, Agni missile is a S to S means surface to surface. Okay, surface to surface, medium to, here medium means this is range. Medium means this is range. We have ranges now. Okay, medium range, short range, like that. Medium to intercontinental range. Intercontinental range. That means above 5,000 kilometers. Range ballistic missile developed by India. Clear everyone? This is the Agni missile is a surface to surface, medium to intercontinental range ballistic missile developed by India. Clear? And under this Agni missile there are so many missiles in different ranges having different payload. Clear? Then here Agni 1 having range of 700 to 1250 kilometers. It has payload of 1000 kilograms weight. It will withstand in the warhead which is carrying nuclear weapons. Agni 2 2000 to 3500 kilometers range and having payload of 1000 kilograms, and Agni 3 3500 to 5000 kilometers range having payload of 2000 kilograms, and Agni 4 having range of 3000 to 4000 kilometers having payload of 1000 kilograms. Then Agni 5 5500 to 8000 kilometers range having payload of 1000 kilograms, and Agni 6 having the range of 6000 to 8000 kilometers, and it can withstand the warhead consists of nuclear weapons with weight of 1000 kilograms. This is about Agni missile. Totally we have 6 Agni missiles with 6 different ranges and 6 payloads. Okay, basically it is a ballistic missile. Which range? Some are medium range and some are intercontinental range. Intercontinental means above 5000 kilometers range. And developed, this speciality of Agni missile is it is developed by India only. Those are developed by India, we are calling them as indigenous. That means production or produced by India itself, means we are calling it as indigenous missile. Which one? Agni missile. Then coming to Akash missile. Okay, Akash missile, it is also one of the missile developed by DRDO, under DRDO. The range of Akash missile is 2.5 Mach. The speed of Akash missile is 2.5 Mach. We know that 1 Mach is equals to 332 meters per second. 2.5 Mach means we have to multiply 2.5 with 332. That much meters per second range, sound, that much speed it can withstand. And it is medium range surface to air missile. Akash missile is a medium range surface to air missile. Surface to air means we are launching this in surface and the target is in air. We are aiming this missile for the targets in the air. Then intercept range. Intercept means it will go in front of the target, up to 30 kilometers distance it will blow the bullet. Otherwise weapons, nuclear weapons, it will target the enemy in the distance of 30 kilometers. That's why intercepting range is 30 kilometers, and it is multi-targeting attacking facility. Okay, for Akash missile the speciality is multi-targeting attacking facility. That means if enemy is targeting us in different directions also, it will attack those different direction enemies target. That facility is called multi-targeting facility. That facility is in Akash missile system. The range is from 60 to 80 kilometers. Intercepting range is 30 kilometers. Overall range is 60 to 80 kilometers. This is about Akash missile, about Agni missile and Akash missile. And one more thing, we have anti-ballistic missile system. In India we have anti-ballistic missile system. That means the target enemy is ballistic missile, means for that ballistic missile we are opposing, anti means opposite, opposite to that ballistic missiles we have anti-ballistic missile systems. Those are, we have two interceptor missiles for anti, for opposite to the, for the enemies of ballistic missile enemies. PAD means Prithvi Air Defense. AAD means Advanced Air Defense. PAD means Prithvi Air Defense. AAD means Advanced Air Defense. Okay, Prithvi Air Defense for high altitude interception. That means if the enemy is in high distance, means it will go to the enemy up to that distance in the air, and within a range of 30 kilometers it will use the weapons. Okay, the missile is working up to range of 30 kilometers. Target is in air, it will move into the air up to the distance of 30 kilometers to the target. It will reach the target with a distance of 30 kilometers, and from that 30 kilometers distance that missile will use the weapons in the warhead in order to attack that ballistic missile. And advanced air defense, this is for lower altitude interception, for lower heights interception. The target is in lower height in the air. Okay, India is the fourth country, India is the fourth country to have this system. Which system? Anti-ballistic missile system. The India is fourth country, means before India 3 countries are there. Which are those? Means USA, Russia, Israel are the first 3 countries which are having anti-ballistic missile system, and India is the fourth country having anti-ballistic missile system. Then coming to Shaurya missile system. Okay, Shaurya, the name of the missile is Shaurya missile system. Okay, its range is short range and surface to surface ballistic missile. Okay, short range surface to surface ballistic missile. The range of the Shaurya is short range and it is surface to surface ballistic missile, and the range is up to 600 kilometers, and the payload is 1 ton. That means 1000 kilograms approximately. 1 ton means 1000 kilograms approximately. This Shaurya missile is, there is one water missile in our defense system, that is Sagarika. Water missile is Sagarika. For that water missile, the same water missile, land version is this Shaurya missile. That's why this missile is the land version of water missile Sagarika. Which one? Shaurya. Underwater missile is there, that is Sagarika. For this Sagarika, as it is same just like Sagarika, we have land version, that is Shaurya. That is Shaurya. And one more missile, Astra missile. It is a air to air missile. Astra missile is a air to air missile. Range is 40 to 100 kilometers. This Astra missile is launched from launching carriers Sukhoi 30 MKIR and Su-30 MKI combat jet. These jets carrying this Astra missile into the air, and through air to air these missiles are targeting enemy missile and our targeting missile. Like this we have different types of missiles are there. Some more missiles are there. We will discuss in the next classes. Okay, this is about Agni missile, Akash missile, anti-ballistic missile, Shaurya missile and Astra missile. Most important. In the last year we get the bit from, see, in the below missiles, which is the combat missile of India? Asked. Astra missile. Clear everyone? This is about missiles. And pause this video and write down the information. We will continue this class in next class. Okay, thank you very much.